Are you over 60 and worried your muscles are weakening? Do everyday tasks feel tougher than before? Imagine waking up each morning feeling stronger, energized, and ready to enjoy life fully, no matter your age. The key lies in the foods you eat first thing in the morning. In this video, I'll reveal the top 10 morning foods that help rebuild muscles, support your health, and keep your body youthful. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could transform your mornings and your life. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here because today's topic is one that touches every senior who wants to stay active and independent: muscle health. Muscle loss as we age, called sarcopenia, is natural but not inevitable. The right nutrition can slow or even reverse this process. Breakfast is crucial because it sets the tone for your entire day, fueling your muscles, brain, and energy levels. Research in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health shows that a balanced, nutritious breakfast improves nutrient intake and overall health outcomes, especially in older adults. But not all breakfasts are created equal. Choosing foods rich in protein, fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats helps your body rebuild muscle, maintain energy, and support heart and brain health. Let's dive into the first 3 foods you should add to your morning routine to start rebuilding your muscles after 60. 1. Eggs, the muscle-building powerhouse. Eggs have long been known as nature's perfect protein, and for good reason. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, packed with all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. For seniors, getting enough protein in the morning helps counter muscle loss and supports strength and mobility. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that participants who ate eggs for breakfast consumed fewer calories throughout the day, helping maintain a healthy weight and reducing fatigue. But eggs offer more than just protein. The yolks are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related disorders like macular degeneration. Choline, another nutrient in eggs, plays a vital role in brain development and memory, helping keep your mind sharp as well as your muscles strong. Preparation is simple and flexible. Whether you prefer boiled eggs on the go, a fluffy omelet with vegetables, or scrambled eggs with whole grain toast, eggs can be tailored to your taste and schedule. Pairing eggs with fiber-rich whole grains or sautéed veggies balances the meal, providing vitamins and minerals to support your overall health. Pro tip: avoid frying eggs in excessive oil or butter. Opt for cooking sprays or small amounts of olive oil for heart-healthy fats. 2. Oatmeal, the fiber-filled energy booster. Oatmeal is a fantastic morning staple for seniors looking to rebuild muscle and improve heart health. Rich in complex carbohydrates, soluble fiber, and plant-based protein, it delivers sustained energy without blood sugar spikes. A single cup of cooked oatmeal offers about 13 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber, plus essential minerals like iron, folate, zinc, and phosphorus, all important for muscle function and overall vitality. The star component of oats is beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that studies, including those published in nutritional reviews, show can reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that clogs arteries and increases heart disease risk. By lowering LDL levels, oatmeal supports cardiovascular health, a priority for seniors aiming to stay active. Fiber also promotes a feeling of fullness, which helps prevent overeating and weight gain, common concerns in aging populations. Oatmeal is versatile and easy to prepare. Just add hot water or milk, and your nutritious meal is ready in minutes. Enhance your bowl with a splash of almond or soy milk, a spoonful of almond butter, and fresh berries for an antioxidant boost. Be cautious of instant oatmeals with added sugars and artificial flavors. These can undo the benefits and add unwanted calories. Pro tip: for extra protein, stir in a scoop of your favorite protein powder or sprinkle ground flax seeds or chia seeds over your oatmeal. 3. Flax seeds, tiny but mighty nutritional boosters. Don't underestimate the power of these tiny seeds. Flax seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition perfect for seniors focused on muscle health and inflammation control. Flax seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation can cause joint pain, stiffness, and muscle soreness, limiting mobility and quality of life as we age. Omega-3s from flax seeds help lower LDL cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and protect against chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Flax seeds are also loaded with fiber and protein, essential for muscle repair and digestion. Magnesium and selenium, two minerals abundant in flax seeds, play roles in muscle contraction and immune system support. Adding flax seeds to your diet is easy and convenient. You can blend ground flax seeds into smoothies, mix them in a yogurt or oatmeal, or sprinkle over salads for an extra nutrient punch. If you're aiming for weight loss alongside muscle rebuilding, try mixing flax seeds into your morning yogurt. The combination helps boost metabolism and control appetite. Pro tip: always consume flax seeds ground or powdered, as whole flax seeds pass through your digestive system undigested, limiting nutrient absorption. 4. Berries, sweet antioxidant powerhouses. Imagine starting your morning with a burst of color, sweetness, and a flood of nutrients all at once. That's exactly what berries bring to your breakfast table. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries aren't just delicious. They're loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, harmful molecules that accelerate aging and disease. A pivotal study published in the journal Circulation showed that a higher intake of antioxidant-rich berries was linked to a significant reduction in the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death among seniors. But that's not all. Berries are packed with dietary fiber, which helps regulate your digestion, keeps you feeling full until lunch, and prevents unnecessary snacking or overeating that can add unwanted pounds. Fiber also supports stable blood sugar levels, a critical factor for seniors managing diabetes or prediabetes. The best part? Berries are incredibly versatile. Toss a handful into your morning smoothie for a natural sweetness boost. Stir them into your oatmeal, or sprinkle over Greek yogurt for added texture and flavor. If you prefer frozen berries for convenience, just make sure to select unsweetened varieties to avoid hidden sugars. Pro tip: berries are a low-calorie, nutrient-dense food, so feel free to enjoy them generously. Your heart, muscles, and taste buds will thank you. 5. Whole wheat toast, the fiber-rich staple. Whole wheat toast is more than just a simple breakfast side. It's a nutrient-dense powerhouse that fuels your muscles and brain with fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. The bran and germ in whole wheat bread provide important nutrients that white bread lacks, such as B vitamins and magnesium, both essential for energy production and muscle function. Eating whole wheat toast can help you feel full longer, stabilizing your blood sugar and curbing mid-morning hunger pangs. Interestingly, toasting whole wheat bread alters its glucose structure, lowering its glycemic index compared to white bread, meaning it causes a slower, steadier rise in blood sugar. This makes it a much healthier choice, especially for seniors concerned about diabetes or insulin resistance. Pair your toast with nutrient-rich toppings like nut butter, avocado, or eggs to create a balanced meal that supports muscle repair and keeps you energized throughout the morning. For those always on the go, whole wheat toast is a quick, convenient, and portable option that fits into any busy routine. Pro tip: look for whole wheat breads labeled 100% whole grain, with minimal added sugar or preservatives for the healthiest option. 6. Nuts and nut butter, tiny but mighty energy sources. A small handful of nuts is a powerful way to start your day, packing in protein, essential fatty acids, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that work together to rebuild muscles and boost your health. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, heart-healthy fats that reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. Research published in current atherosclerosis reports confirms that regular nut consumption is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases, a vital consideration for anyone over 60. Antioxidants in nuts protect your cells from oxidative damage and inflammation, both of which contribute to muscle loss and joint pain. Thanks to their high fiber and protein content, nuts keep you feeling full, provide steady energy, and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Nut butters, such as almond or peanut butter, offer similar benefits and are extremely versatile. Spread nut butter on whole wheat toast, stir into smoothies, or pair with fruit for a balanced, muscle-supporting breakfast. Pro tip: choose natural nut butters without added sugars or hydrogenated oils to maximize health benefits. 7. Protein shakes, quick, convenient muscle fuel. If your mornings are rushed or you're not in the mood for traditional meals, protein shakes are an excellent way to get the nutrients your muscles need fast. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and as we age, our bodies require more protein to slow muscle loss and promote strength. Protein shakes provide a concentrated source of protein that keeps you full longer, helps control appetite, and supports weight management. They're low in calories but high in muscle-building power, making them perfect for seniors looking to stay lean and strong. You can customize protein shakes with your favorite fruits, vegetables, seeds, or nuts to add vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats. Keep an eye on the ingredients to avoid added sugars or artificial sweeteners that can undermine your health goals. Pro tip: use plant-based or whey protein powders with minimal ingredients and blend in spinach or kale for an extra boost of antioxidants and fiber. 8. Bananas, nature's energy booster. Bananas are often called the superstar of potassium, and for good reason. But their benefits go far beyond just one mineral. Potassium is vital for muscle contractions, nerve function, and heart health, all of which become even more important as we age. Bananas are also packed with resistant starch, a special type of carbohydrate that supports healthy digestion and gut bacteria. This means eating bananas won't leave you feeling bloated or sluggish, but energized and ready to take on your day. The fiber in bananas helps keep you full, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and reduces the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure. Add sliced bananas to your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. For an extra punch, sprinkle some chia or flax seeds on top to add omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Pro tip: choose ripe bananas with a few brown spots. They have the highest antioxidant content and taste sweetest. 9. Greek yogurt, the protein and probiotic champion. Greek yogurt is creamy, delicious, and packed with protein, making it one of the best morning foods for muscle repair and maintenance. Besides protein, Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, essential for strong bones, which is crucial as we age. It also contains probiotics, live beneficial bacteria that support gut health and improve digestion, immunity, and even mood. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that people who consume yogurt regularly tend to have better nutrient intake and a healthier metabolic profile. Mix your Greek yogurt with fresh berries, nuts, and seeds to create a breakfast that's not only tasty, but also supports your muscles and overall health. Choose plain Greek yogurt without added sugars or artificial flavors to keep your meal clean and nutritious. 10. Coffee. More than just a morning pick-me-up. Coffee isn't just a delicious way to wake up. It's loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. According to the American Diabetes Association, regular coffee consumption is linked to a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a common concern for seniors. Coffee also boosts your metabolism and improves glucose metabolism, which can support weight management and muscle health. The key is to enjoy it simply. Avoid adding too much sugar, cream, or flavored syrups that add calories without benefits. Try using non-fat milk or plant-based alternatives like almond or oat milk for a creamy, healthy twist. Pro tip: drinking coffee before your morning workout can enhance performance and endurance, helping you build stronger muscles. There you have it, the top 10 morning foods that will help rebuild and maintain muscle strength after 60. These foods are not only nutritious, but easy to prepare and delicious to eat, making it simple to add them to your daily routine. Remember, a nutritious breakfast fuels your energy, supports your muscles, and sets the tone for a healthy, productive day. Combine these foods with morning meditation or light exercise, and you'll be creating a powerful morning ritual that nurtures both body and mind. Changing habits can be challenging, but every small step you take towards better nutrition pays off with improved health, vitality, and happiness. Will you start incorporating these foods into your breakfast? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your favorite morning meal ideas. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more senior health tips, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and strong.